What up? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. This video is a technical analysis price breakdown on the currency pair, the cryptocurrency pair FTM, USD, and basically we're just gonna go over today's price action. It's 7:25, which tells us that the daily candle closes at 7, and yeah, let's get into the analysis. So right off the bat, if you saw my analysis yesterday, price basically did what I said it was gonna do. Not to like sound like a jerk about it, but it did, right? So what I said was, what we saw yesterday was this bearish candle close, which essentially engulfed the previous day's bullish action, right? We rejected with this long wick. Like bulls had pushed price above here, and then bears came back and said, no, we going down, and forced price all the way down, thus outdoing all of the previous price action formed by the bulls of the previous day. Okay, in addition of it doing all of that, it closed below previous resistance, right? So essentially this is a tested area, and as you can see, when we have tested areas, the next price usually falls in the opposite direction. So we tested this resistance, so we fell down. So that's about 3 or 4 confluences that gave me, like, at least told me that price had a high probability of being bearish on the day, and that's what we got. So let's go on the 4-hour and see how that price formed. So basically we could have gotten this opportunity, and I think I said this too in my last video, is waiting for support to break and then giving you some sort of retest and then an entry reason to the downside, right? So we see this, we have the retest, we broke below support. This support was confirmed, we broke in when the second candle closed below. We started to retest, and as this price was starting to retest, to catch this opportunity, you would then drop to the 1-hour and basically monitor how price is retracing. Okay, so you also could have get in on this move right here, but this is the opportunity right here. Okay, bing, this right here is your bearish entry opportunity or entry signal. That's a clear morning star, which is a reversal pattern. Drop on a 30-minute, you would have found this bearish engulfing to the downside as well, right? Those are trading opportunities that could have been had. Okay, so we've seen the daily on FTM closing bearish again, right? So we can actually say that the lower low was made here, and this is a successful lower high. So in true sense, the market is in a downtrend. Okay, so that means with that knowledge of the higher time frame being in a downtrend, I would be on the lower time frame, basically just looking for mainly bearish opportunities until we have a break of structure on the time frame that you're trading on. So we could track it on the 1-hour and the 4-hour. So I can see price basically coming down to this level right here, which is at about $1.90. That is definitely playable. That is the area with this bearish pressure that is into the market once again, with the lower high forming once again, thus giving us the next move to forming this downtrend is price seeking a new lower low. I can see price coming to at least $1.90 without any problems. Okay, now if price were to find support here, this would give us a higher low. Okay, and with that higher low forming, that will be the first step in not necessarily a bullish uptrend commencing, because that just means that price could possibly come into here and retest, maybe, you know. But something to pay attention to is if price does do something like this, and then if the second higher low forms, then now we uptrending. But without getting too technical, I would say there's a high probability of price continuing down from where it's at, or it could push up a little bit to this area, but after done, if it's done as a little retracement, we can see price coming to the support here at around $1.90 on FTM. So that's the analysis. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button, smash subscribe.